Invite, manage, and configure user access and permissions across your organization. In the User section, you can view all users in your organization, manage their roles and permissions, invite new users, and activate or deactivate users. Use the Invite User option in the top right to add new users to your organization. Enter the user's email address to send them an invitation and assign a user role. Each role has different permissions. Click Invite. The user will receive an email invitation to register and accept access to your organization. If the invitation expires or the user doesn't receive it, use Refresh Invitation to resend the email. Once the user accepts the invitation, their status changes to active, granting them access to the organization with their assigned role. Invite, manage, and configure user access and permissions across your organization. Deactivating a user removes their access to the organization. They'll lose access to all resources, and any assigned tasks will need to be reassigned. Confirm the deactivation. To restore access, use Reactivate. The user will regain their previous role and permissions. In the Edit User section, view user information and change their assigned role. Select a different role from the drop-down to update the user's permissions. Save to apply the new role. The user's role has been updated successfully. You can manage roles in your organization based on your permissions. Deactivating a user removes their access to the organization. They'll lose access to all resources, and any assigned tasks will need to be reassigned. Confirm the deactivation. To restore access, use Reactivate. The user will regain their previous role and permissions. In the Edit User section, view user information and change their assigned role. Select a different role from the drop-down to update the user's permissions. Save to apply the new role. The user's role has been updated successfully. You can manage roles in your organization based on your permissions. Owner has full control over the entire organization, including managing all users, translation engines, glossaries, credentials, billing, and company settings. Admin can manage users, translation engines, glossaries, and credentials, but cannot modify company settings. Developer can manage translation jobs and view logs and company information, but has limited access to other settings. Translator can view and manage translation jobs only where they are the assigned approver, with no access to other system settings.